Hi, my name is Katie Allen. I'm from Beyoutiful Wandz. I help lash artists just like you perfect your craft and build your business. Here's a look into our custom aftercare kits. So when I started my brand, I saw a huge flaw in the industry. Most of the products that you are going to order are from overseas. Now, when you order overseas, you have to order in huge batches. You never know what you're going to get, and it's almost impossible to talk to somebody about the products that you want. So I decided to do something about it. I decided to make private labeling available for everybody. You can put your logo on these vetted products, small minimums, right here in the US. The three most popular custom kits that we have are the 3-piece set, just the foam bottles with your logo, and the third product is our training kits. So if you're just starting out, I definitely recommend just getting some foam bottles with your logo on them. The reason why you want to get these foam bottles, two reasons. One, it helps put that extra retail into your pocket. You could buy 10 of these for $50 and then the prolonged concentrate for $35. So you're investing $85 and then you could resell these for $15 to $20 a piece. So not only are you going to get the profit from that, you're building your brand, and it helps with your clients' retention. Better retention means better lashes, means happier clients. The 3-piece set would be great for an either intermediate or an advanced artist. This is going to be a little bit more costly or a little bit more of investment on your part, but you could definitely get your investment back. You're going to get 10 kits with the cleaning brushes and the wands for $125. So if you do math there really quick, that's $12.50 per kit. You could retail these at $30 a piece. If you sell all 10 of them, that's $300. Better retention for your clients, happier you. We are also able to provide training kits with your logo. Our training kit is great for our expert lash artist or that lash artist that's ready to move on to the next step of retail. Our training kits will include 4 lash trays with your logo, spoolies with your logo, under eye pads with your logo, tape with your logo. You get to choose from 2 tweezers, a Ruthie Bell glue, and a fan. So the training kits are great for 2 reasons. 1, you get to put your brand on these products, and then you get to give them out to your customers with your brand. 2, if you're just starting out, it can be very costly to put your brand on all of these products. We have this great opportunity to order 1 kit with everything having your brand on it. You can purchase all these custom items and more at www.beyoutifulwandz.com under the Customize It section of the website. You can also purchase standalone labels, stickers, and other awesome custom items. Check out our playlist for products or go to www.beyoutifulwandz.com.